Welcome to Arazy Group's regulatory update. In today's update, we'll update you on the latest circular issued by the Medical Device Regulatory Agency in Vietnam, or DMEC. Those circulars are Circular 5, issued as a guide to implementing Decree 98, and Circular 6, issued to regulate the registration of COVID-19 related devices. These circulars are effective as of August 2022. In addition, Circular 46 and Circular 33 will become obsolete as of January 2023. Before we give you details of Circulars 5 and 6, let us give you a little bit of historical background on the medical device regulations in Vietnam. In 2015, medical devices and IVD devices were regulated separately. Medical devices were regulated mainly by Circular 30, in which only products listed in this circular are subject to an import license. While IVD devices were regulated as pharmaceuticals, unless their category was listed on Circular 30. In 2016, both medical devices and IVD devices were regulated by a unified regulation, Decree 36. Under this decree, all products not listed in Circular 30 must be registered and obtain a marketing authorization license. In 2018, Decree 169 was issued to supplement Decree 36. In 2020, Decree 03 was issued to amend Decree 169 and Decree 36. This year, the Quick Issuance Registration Procedure was also introduced, in which devices that have obtained pre-market approval from stringent regulatory agencies are eligible for an expedited evaluation process. In 2021, Decree 98 was issued to unify all previous decrees, Decree 169, Decree 36, and Decree 3. Under this decree, major changes were introduced, such as the elimination of the classification stage. The classification certificate can be used for importation until December 31, 2022, after which a marketing authorization license will be required for all devices. The new procedure introduced for both Class A and B devices, in which approval can be obtained within a shorter timeline, 1 to 2 weeks, the cancellation of Circular 30. Licenses that were issued under the previous decree will remain valid until December 31, 2022. MA license will be issued without expiration date after November 2021. And finally, CSDT will be fully implemented by January 1, 2023. In August 2022, however, DMEC provided an update on the implementation of Decree 98. Those updates will be explained in the next slide. If you want to manage your product registration in Vietnam, consider Regislate, our global registration management software, for fast and effective market access processes. Circular 05 is issued in August 2022 to provide further details on the implementation of Decree 98. Those details include the extension of import license validity issued under Circular 30 from December 31, 2022 to December 31, 2023, to postpone implementation of CSDT to January 1, 2024, to include China and Korea as reference countries under the Quick Issuance Procedure, and to allow the manufacturer to have more than one importer. Not just that, but Circular 05 also includes updates such as the addition of 3 IVD categories that are exempt from providing quality assessment certificates as part of the registration requirements, the addition of 3 product categories, children's nasal aspirator, blood oxygen saturation meter, and self-testing IVDs for HIV and COVID-19, that may be purchased as normal goods, which means the medical device dealer is not required to have the license to sell those devices to customer. However, the devices must still be registered and obtain a marketing authorization license. Lastly, the device risk classification rule was also covered under Circular 39/2016. Circular 06 is issued to define the list and issuance procedure of medical devices intended for the COVID-19 pandemic. This circular replaces Circular 13/2021, which listed 17 medical devices in the prevention and control of COVID-19. Under the new circular, the list is now reduced to 12 devices. In addition, before January 2023, the registration application for Class C and D medical devices intended for the prevention and control of COVID-19 will still be processed under the emergency route. That's it for our update today. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to email or call us. Check the Contact Us page on our website for an Arazy Group office near you. Make sure you follow Arazy Group on LinkedIn to view other countries' regulatory updates and the latest advancements in regulatory affairs technology. Stay safe and keep well.